I'll make these go off in midair.
Hold on, I'm gonna get this one.
Hold it for a little bit.
Ow, that one was loud. Hey, gun?
Okay,
I'm saying I have the camera, don't... Kinda got it midair. I'm staying. That's why I'm staying close to this thing, so that way he can't throw shit at me. Because then I'm next to a gun, ammunition, and fucking fireworks. If you throw those at me. Hey. Wait. I heard a vehicle. Oh, I don't care then.
Hold on, Jake. Just stay down because I thought I heard a quad.
We're gonna start a forest fire. Shit, do it! I thought you were gonna throw it right in that puddle.
So did I.
Barry's like, fuck you, I got the semi-automatic weapon.
I'm holding the baby.
Where did Jacob go?
I should have bought more fireworks. Where did Jake go?
Pissing with his radio.
He's like jumping in the truck.
That truck's not gonna save you, boy. I don't know where it went.
I think it went out.
I don't know.
It did go out.
I got a fucking gun. I about shot myself. Jake, I got spray paint cans and fireworks and ammunition and a gun. I think I'm more prepared than you are, bud. My safety's still on, thank God. Jacob Martin.
I got my cigarette lighter out. I was like, yeah, motherfucker. Alright, that's good. Put it in. Give me.
Spray paint can. No. Right next to the spray paint can. Good job. Hey, wait. Now I do hear a vehicle.
Don't.
No.
I've got the gun.
I just say I'll fucking shoot you.
I was like, no. Ugh. Let's get hook one up.
I was like, shit. I was like, spray paint? No,
hold
me.
on.
What? What, you want to set them off next to the spray paint can?
Yes.
Oh,
Alright.
that's dangerous.
Here's what we're going to do. You're going to light that. We'll stick this in here. You're going to light it, and she's going to shoot it, and it's going to go woof.
Oh my God, Barry, record this. I'm gonna shoot it with this bitch. Hey, I'm shooting it with this thing.
Make sure you film this, because this is
He has it, it's still been recording.
he lights that. Like we're gonna run, and once we get out of the, I'll stay down, alright?
Just run as quick as you can behind me, because I'm staying back.
Moving.
This thing is gonna like shoot, I'm not.
Yeah, it's
I'm gonna. How many shots is in it?
like 10.
Like 10?
Yeah.
I'm gonna shoot it off here to make sure it doesn't. Okay. I just wanted to make sure it wasn't gonna jam. This is not safe.
Fuck no.
This is going on YouTube.
It's just two dumbasses. This will be alright.
Mate, I'm already lined up. I have safety on, you're okay. Take your bet. I'm ready to go.
I'll say shit, alright?
Okay.
Shoot.
don't think they did either. I think the paint put them out. You missed.
I was hoping it was like
We're gonna be like famous on the internet for the dumbasses that like to do retarded shit. Hold on.
you're not even hitting the paint can.
No, I really was too. I'm out. Oh, fuck. There we go.
Woo! Mud hole.
I have a mag. I'm just gonna shoot it. Make it simple.
Abby's gonna shoot the mag. She's my beer bullet burger bitch. We put burger on there today, Barry. Jake, you don't know that though. Barry. Yeah, you do. You were with us when we were shooting shit with Drew. She's my bullet bitch. Then she's my beer bitch because she kept handing me beer. Now she's my beer burger. Oh yeah, did you start at McDonald's yet? No, she didn't. Like some satanic, like, fuck you, dude. They ended up hitting you instead.
You asshole!
What?
You just gave me a fucking heart attack.
Looks like you're pissing.
I'm not pissing. I have a gun, so don't throw anything at me.
Abby. Huff it.
I have a gun. I have a loaded gun.
Okay, I'm done until you're done fucking shooting. Look at that beautiful Ranger in front of that F-150. Yeah. With all your lift, it's about as high as my dad's truck.
It's done, it's out. You son of a fucking...
Jake just starts kicking him and kicking him. Hey, Abby, does it matter how long the video is on this for YouTube?
I don't think so. Actually, no. YouTube did put up it's like a 15-minute restriction.
15 minutes? All right.
Something like that. I still have a loaded gun.
Something smells like skunk.
I think it's all the fireworks.
2 boxes of marijuana.
Who has a knife?
2 boxes or 2 pounds?
No, you should've seen Barry.
Don't, Barry. Remember last time I did that? I almost shot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey,
Don't say his
I
name
need a
because
knife.
mine's in the truck.
I know it is.
Come with me and get a knife. I miss. See, we used to do this with M80s and quarter sticks. That's when it was like seriously funny.
Yeah.
Because that's when you could seriously get hurt.
Try and kick that shit. It just went boom in my fucking hand. Can we set this shit off?
Not yet. Let's wait. Where's my knife at?
What else you got in there?
350 shells, 22 shells.
That 12 gauge shell?
Here's a bunch of more 22 shells. I ain't got no more 12 gauge shells. There it is. I got a 10 gauge shell.
Yeah, put that in 12 gauge.
Barry running through fucking 22s. Watch your head, dude. See, that's the American flag right there, people.
Yeah.
Jake, here. This is going on YouTube, so you gotta film this. We have to show them the American flag.
Okay.
This is America, bitch. We're the land of the free where we can do whatever the fuck we want. Woo! Let's go pull this shit off.
Okay.
I am the Z ringleader.
Abby, you got any 122 mag shells?
There's a shit ton in my truck too.
Hold on, I need my knife.
Here, the shells
Can I
in.
shoot one?
I need the knife for the gun, dumbass.
The shells keep swallowing up in the chamber.
Hey, don't.
What?
God damn it.
Dude, start breaking them up, because is that all you have left?
Yeah, that's it.
So start breaking them up into singles.
Stop light shit.
I have one more. Chico boom.
Don't film me smoking, bro.
Jake.
Can I fire this off in the back end?
I was going to. I'm gonna buy some more. Cause Sheldon. Well, Alan, I'm gonna buy them all off of Alan. Alan has a whole bunch of them.
What?
I'm not.
Tape
I'm
left in it.
5
Just
minutes
go
up
to
the
my
road.
truck.
Oh, you still have mag shells in your truck?
Yeah.
I'm 5 minutes up the road.
I'm hungry again.
I'll be home here after a while.
I think
after
there's
we're
another
done.
burger in
Wait
there.
till after dark
I
so
got
we can
some
set off
burgers
the big
now.
fireworks.
I'm gonna start turning these parts. Putting them in the bag.
That's
Yeah.
what I was gonna do here.
You can barely see that gun in the
Maybe we'll
grass.
come back because I set most of mine off. Maybe we'll go back later and I'll have Sheldon light some off. Maybe I'll come back later because Sheldon has some. And maybe I'll have him. Cause he's got the big stuff. I'll be home here after a while. You guys are leaving tomorrow, so it don't really matter. About what? Well, I'll be up tomorrow.